Those who go to Australia for employment without the support of an employer, government agency, or other individual may apply for the Australia 189 Skilled Independent Visa. The nicest thing about this visa is that it allows you to live and work anywhere in Australia for an indefinite period of time. The Australian government plans to issue 185,000 visas in the coming year, and this means that it's an excellent gateway to permanent residence. In this video, we will examine 8 simple steps to securing the Australia 189 visa in 2024. Step 1. Examination and conditions for visa subclass 189. It's crucial that you examine this visa in order to know what you need for you to submit an application. To ensure that everything provided satisfies the Australian government, we advise conducting research on this visa subclass by visiting the Australia Department of Home Affairs website and following their instructions. Verify the following to see whether you satisfy the requirements. You must be under 45 years of age, have at least 65 points, meet the health standards, and have a skill that is on the list of acceptable occupations. Step 2. Determine your 189 visa point total. The Australian government uses the point system to determine if you qualify for the 189 visa. You may use it to determine your eligibility before submitting your expression of interest. A minimum of 65 points must be made up. However, the Australian government may demand more points in most cases based on your situation. Step 3. The 189 visa and the skills assessment. Once you've selected a profession from the list, you need to confirm that your qualifications match the position you've selected. The Department of Home Affairs wants proof that your skills meet Australian standards before accepting your application for a skilled post. They will next need to evaluate your skills to see whether they are appropriate for the field of job you are going into. Step 4. Submit an expression of interest, EOI. Once you have acquired all the paperwork needed by the Department of Home Affairs, you may use Skill Select to submit your expression of interest. It costs nothing to register for an account on Skill Select, which will guide you through the whole application procedure. Additionally, once your EOI has been submitted, you may edit it, which comes in handy when you need to wait on certain documents. Ensure that your EOI has all the necessary information, such as the outcomes of your English test, your points, and the result of your skill evaluation. Step 5. Wait for the reply of your EOI. You will need to apply for a new visa in order to remain in Australia if you submit an EOI when your present visa is about to expire. Since the EOI does not serve as a visa application, and you may only apply for a bridging visa once you are invited to apply for one, you are not eligible for one. The invitation procedure, which asks candidates to submit an application for a visa, is carried out in planned rounds twice a month. Step 6. Apply for the visa. In order to avoid having to go through another process, make sure you apply for this visa within 60 days after getting your invitation to apply, and if you don't, your invitation will be deemed expired. With the URL in your invitation letter, you may submit your visa application on Skill Select. Step 7. Medical examination. Current medical exam findings from a clinic approved by the Australian immigration authorities are a prerequisite for the 189 visa application that you, and any dependents, must submit. Your results will then be sent directly from the medical center to the Immigration Department for evaluation. Step 8. Wait for your 189 visa decision. It may take some time to hear back about the status of your visa application, but the quicker the procedure is, the more documents you provide. In the event that your visa is granted, you will get a letter detailing the conditions of your initial entry date. That is, the date by which you must reach Australia in order for your permanent residency to be activated. If necessary, your stay should only last a few days in order to fulfill the conditions for the visa grant letter and to activate your residency. For immigrants who meet the necessary requirements in terms of education and experience, the Skilled Independent Visa Subclass 189 offers a route to permanent residency in Australia. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching.